everyone, as always I am using 1920 by 1080. Have your clips ready or import by double clicking the left box. When you're happy with your clips, select the first clip. Double click for the arrow and click for motion blur. Right click your clip and select time and freeze frame. Click and drag on the numbers slightly to the right, but not too much. Go a couple of frames before the end of your first clip and click and drag the numbers as far as your original clip goes. Select both keyframes and hit F9 on your keyboard. Select the graph icon and edit value graph. Follow an S shape like me. Then you can repeat for your other clips. Now, search for brightness and contrast in your effects and apply to both clips. Set the brightness to 100. Next, search for rain effects. You can hold Shift on your keyboard and select both clips to apply quicker. Follow my settings for each clip. We will now keyframe Ray Center. An S shape has a nice movement, so select the timer icon on center and follow the frames of your clip. Repeat for your other clips and we're done. For a smoother play, you can always select your clips and pre-compose. Move all attributes, or you can also change the quality of your editing window to less than full. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.